Could a career helping others be right for you? Mental health and addiction support workers support individuals experiencing mental health challenges, substance use disorders, trauma, homelessness, and other complex life situations. They provide practical and emotional support, connect clients with community resources, promote recovery, and help individuals build healthier, more independent lives. Across Canada, the need for mental health and addiction services continues to grow. Communities are looking for compassionate, well-trained professionals who can support individuals and families while working alongside multidisciplinary care teams. It's a career where you can make a meaningful difference every day. Mental health and addiction support workers work in a wide range of settings, including community mental health agencies, supportive housing, shelters, outreach programs, addiction treatment and recovery services, youth and family support organizations, and healthcare settings. With opportunities across both the public and nonprofit sectors, graduates can pursue rewarding careers supporting individuals and communities throughout Canada. Start your career with Ashton College. The Mental Health and Addiction Support Worker Certificate at Ashton College can be completed in just 4 months. The program combines flexible online classes with a hands-on practicum, allowing students to apply what they've learned in a real-world setting before entering the workforce. Whether you're starting a new career or building on an existing healthcare background, you'll graduate with the practical skills and confidence to support individuals in a variety of community and healthcare settings. Ready to make a difference? Start your career with the Mental Health and Addiction Support Worker Certificate at Ashton College. Learn more at ashtoncollege.ca.